Hey everybody, welcome back to one more of Hyperpix tutorial videos. I'm Mary, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with one more of our brilliant products, which is a Chrome text effect Vol 22, and this text effect is from our Chrome collections, and it allows you to convert your text or logos into this brilliant Chrome style just with a single click. So follow me to the end of this video and we're going to learn how to edit and customize. So like all of our other products, this text effect works on all the other languages. It has the option to change the color and customize to your likings, and you can just also convert your logos just with these details you see into this style, just like a 3D render, and just by using Photoshop without needing to have any special knowledge. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can work with this fantastic product. So to download this template, just go to hyperpix.net and check out all of our products and collections. And if you would like to access any of the products, just join the VIP account, get the membership, so you're going to have a complete access to this product and all the others, and also our weekly updates, which we're going to put in our website. So let's get started to work. As usual, we start with the yellow layer, right click and select edit content. So in this window which appears right here, we have our fonts and our text. We have two texts right here, which you can use any other font you have in your mind, or just go with a single text. You're totally free. I'm just going to double click and type my ideal text just like this, and fantastic. So the same with the second text, we're just going to type and enter. So it's brilliant. I'm just going to enlarge my first text like that. I think it's perfect. Just drag towards up a little, and I'm going to minimize the whole of the group, and I think everything's perfect. I think it's excellent. We don't need to do anything extra. I'm just going to make sure if it's right in the center. So everything's great and perfect. We just close and click save. So here we go, we're back to our brilliant result. Just check out our fantastic result. Our style is applied to our text automatically. We didn't need to do anything extra. So we're going to get on with the rest of the layers. I'm going to start with the adjustments groups, which is the sections of the brightness, the balance and the contrast, which easily by adjusting each one of these groups you can get to some totally new results. So the next group is this text at the bottom right here, which you can drag and place it wherever you want, or just remove it, or any other customizations you want to have. So in the next group we have our sparkles, which their job is to give this fantastic light reflection to your text. And after your final editing of your text, manually you just need to select them one by one and place them on any section and part of your text, just like I'm doing right now. And here we go, this is the last one, and brilliant. Just check out the fantastic effect, or if you don't want them, you can just switch off the whole sparkles group. So in the next group we have the effects folder, which is created from many groups and layers. This style which you're witnessing right now is the effects group job. So I suggest you to just ignore this group because it has many complications. And the next group is the smoke, which you see in the background. Is this excellent smoke which you can just switch it off, and it doesn't have a huge effect. So if you want it transparent, just switch off the smoke, the background, and you're going to have this amazing, absolutely professional transparent background, which allows you to get a PNG outcome and use it in all your different projects and drag and just have so much fun. So I'm going to get back our layers, and we have our brilliant style here. So now let's go into try this template on a logo. It's absolutely easy. We just come back to this window and we need to insert our logo into Photoshop. So I'm just going to drag my logo. We just drag right here in this window. We don't need the text, we just remove them. Just to make sure if your logo is right in the center, which it is, and close the window and select save. And here we go, as beautiful as you see. Our style is applied to this logo as well. All we need to do is just place the sparkles one by one in the right place. Also, you can minimize the sparkles with Ctrl and T, so they have a much better effect, and you can remove the extra sparkles and just get copies of one single sparkle and place it in all the different parts of your logo or your text, just like this. So we're done. We're finished with this template. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this product, just refer to Hyperpix and check out all of our collections and our products. And if you like them, if you like our collections, if you enjoy watching, we suggest you to access the VIP and get the membership, and which you can access all of our weekly updates and our products. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Bye to one more video to Mary.